Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gurmantra Shiksha Ka Granth. I am your educator Nidhi Dua and I warmly welcomes you at this practice session. So guys, in today's class we are going to do a practice session that will be based on organic chemistry. We have already done a practice session of organic chemistry and this is the part 2 for organic chemistry. So first of all, let's see the rules for this practice session. This practice session will carry total marks 20 and each question will carry 2 marks. That means we have 10 questions in this practice session. There will be negative marking, that is 25% or 1/4. So before starting the practice session, keep your pen and notebook ready. You will be allotted 1 minute to answer each question, and while you are doing the questions, be honest with yourself and don't forget to mention your total score in the comment box after completing the test. So all the very best guys. Let's begin our today's number 1 question. Do this question quickly. Okay, time up guys. So question says, which of the following is an example of symmetrical or simple ether? So the correct answer for this question is your option number 4. Next question. Okay, time up guys. So the question says you have to tell the decreasing order of -I effect of the triad -NO2 group, NO2 group, NH3 plus group and CN group. So the correct order for this question is your option number A. Next question. Time up guys. So you know it very well. Boiling point is inversely proportional to the branching chain. Means The compound which has the maximum branching will have the least boiling point. So the correct order for boiling point will be, the maximum boiling point will be for option number C, then for B, and then for A. So the correct order is like this: C, then B, then A. Next question. You have given an alkene, and this alkene when reacted with HBr in presence of peroxide, then what product will be formed? Do this question quickly. So time up, guys. The correct product for this question is like this. You know it very well. In presence of HBr and peroxide, anti-Markovnikov's addition rule is followed. So according to anti-Markovnikov's addition, Br will be attached to the last carbon atom. So the correct answer is this. Next question. When an alkene reacted with H plus or H2O, then what product will be formed? So time up, guys. The correct product for this reaction is this. You know it very well. In presence of H plus and H2O, the compound will rearranges itself and then Markovnikov's rule will be followed. So according to these two steps, the correct product will be this. Next question. You have given the Wurtz-Fittig reaction and you have to tell the product of Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Time up, guys. So according to Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the product will be this. Next question. Time up, guys. So you have given the decarboxylation reaction. So when benzoic acid in presence of soda lime and heat is treated, then what product will be formed? So you know it very well, in the process of decarboxylation, CO2 gas will be liberated. So according to this, option number B is correct. From this benzoic acid, CO2 gas will be liberated and you will get a benzene ring. So correct option is option number B. Benzene plus CO2 gas will be formed in decarboxylation reaction. Next question. Time up, guys. So you know it very well. Gem dihalides are what? So gem dihalides are those compounds in which the halogen atom is attached to the same carbon atom. So according to the definition, the halogen atom must be attached to the same carbon atom in the particular compound. So according to it, option number A is correct, because second carbon atom has two chlorine atoms, two halogen atoms attached. So the correct option is option number A. Next question. So guys, question is, which of the following is more acidic? Parachlorobenzoic acid or parafluorobenzoic acid? The correct solution, the correct answer for this question is the parachlorobenzoic acid. So parafluorobenzoic acid looks like this, and in parafluorobenzoic acid, due to the fluorine group, there is more minus I effect but more plus M effect. But I have already told you about this compound. In this particular compound, minus I effect is nearly equal to the plus M effect. But in parachlorobenzoic acid, due to the presence of Cl minus group, there is less minus I effect and but very less plus M effect as compared to the minus I effect. So here minus I effect is maximum, then plus M effect. So parachlorobenzoic acid will be more acidic. So the correct answer for this question will be parachlorobenzoic acid. Okay. Now in case if you are new here at our YouTube channel, you can like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, you can mail us or contact us. Complete information is given to you on your screen. You can also join our Telegram channel Gurmantra. You can also join our Facebook page Gurmantra Shiksha Ka Granth. Now, a very important announcement. If you are preparing for CSIR UGC NET, you can follow Neha Taneja ma'am on Unacademy platform. On Unacademy platform, you will get daily live classes, structural courses, live test and quizzes, and with one subscription, you will get unlimited access. If you are interested, you can go through with this detailed paid classes. While taking these detailed paid classes, you can use referral code NEHA, that is NEHA, and after using this referral code, you will get 10% discount on total fee. Thank you very much.